Ever wondered how to solve that tricky math problem or figure out how many apples you can buy with a certain amount of money? Equations are your secret weapon. They're more than just symbols and numbers on paper. They're a powerful tool that can help us make sense of real-world situations, translate them into mathematical language, and find solutions. From calculating your monthly expenses to making scientific discoveries, equations are everywhere. With equations, you can untangle the most complex problems, so let's dive into how you can master them. Solving problems using equations involves several key steps that you need to follow. Let's break them down one by one. Firstly, read and understand the problem. This might sound basic, but it's crucial. You need to identify the unknowns and the relationships between them. Understand what the problem is asking you to solve. Next, you'll need to define your variables. These are the unknown quantities in your problem. Assign them meaningful and representative symbols to make your equation clearer. Now comes the fun part, writing the equation. This equation should represent the information given in the problem, using the variables you've defined. Remember, you're translating words into mathematical expressions here. Once you have your equation, it's time to solve it. Here, you'll use various algebraic techniques to solve for your unknown variables. The goal is to isolate the variable, which means performing the same operations on both sides of the equation. After you've solved your equation, don't rush off just yet. It's time to check your solution. Substitute the found values back into the original equation to make sure they satisfy the problem's conditions. This step is crucial to ensure your solution makes sense in the context of the problem. Once you're confident in your solution, communicate it clearly. State the solution to the problem, and if the problem involves quantities with specific units, make sure to include those. Finally, verify your answer. Double-check everything and make sure your solution aligns with the problem's requirements. Look out for any extraneous solutions that might have popped up during the solving process. Remember, practice makes perfect. So keep practicing these steps until you become a pro at solving problems using equations. To wrap up, let's quickly go over the key steps in solving problems using equations. First, understand your problem and define your variables. Then write an equation that encapsulates the problem's essence. Solve the equation using your algebraic prowess, and don't forget to check your solution. Remember, it's crucial to communicate your answer clearly, and verify it's in line with the problem's parameters. With these steps in mind, you are now ready to tackle any problem that comes your way using equations. Happy solving! Happy